The following message has been brought to you by the Mile High Flood District.
So we're here in Lakewood at the residence of the Cotters on West 2nd Avenue. And I'd like to take you back to McIntyre Gulch and show you a little bit about a maintenance project that we completed just recently. We're coming back on the side of their house, essentially through their driveway, because this is really the only access to McIntyre Gulch in this area. We don't have the luxury of McIntyre Gulch being a wide open floodplain area. It's a very confined, restricted area. So with the Cotters' permission, we came in and helped them do this project. You might remember 2 years ago that they gave us a video, and I call it the "My Backyard is Washing Away" video that I showed at the board meeting. Well, this is the backyard of where it all happened. And you might remember it was this bank here next to this tree that started disappearing. So let me refresh your memory and show you that video.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no.
Once we took a look at the Cotter video, we realized right away that something needed to be done fairly quickly, as she has young children, and we certainly didn't want to have any problems with somebody falling in. The Cotters in the City of Lakewood asked us to participate in a maintenance project to stabilize the stream bank and the bottom along this property, with public safety as our #1 goal. Immediately, two concerns came to mind. How are we going to access this very confined drainage way with a large construction equipment, and will we be able to preserve the Cotters' backyard? Due to the limited access along the driveway and the low utility cables, the boulder size was reduced from 48 inches to 36 inches. This allowed us to place the boulders with much smaller equipment that would fit through the access. Yeah, standing up on top of this wall, you really don't understand how tall this wall really is. We would have preferred to build a wider and more open channel to avoid building this big structural wall altogether. But when we're left with a tight quarter like this, it's close to impossible without relocating people out of their home. Our partners on this project included Olson for the design engineering. They also included the City of Lakewood as one of the project sponsors. They included Vai's Construction, who did the construction of the wall and everything, and Arrowhead Landscaping, which did this wonderful landscaping for the property owners here. The district was represented by Darren Bradshaw as the construction manager. The Cotters were very happy with this project and how it turned out, but I'm going to let Cassandra tell you firsthand what she thought.
Hi, I'm Cassandra Cotter, and this is my property here off West 2nd Avenue, and Urban Drainage has come and helped us rebuild the retaining wall here that washed away a couple years ago during a flood, and the project has just been really important to us and has helped us out a lot. We have 2 small children that we were afraid of getting into the creek, and the team has just been really great at making sure everything was safe, keeping fences up, keeping our kids away from the water, and Vaya's construction was amazing. Super early every morning, worked through snow and rain, and really did a great job building a beautiful and very strong wall that we've already seen working. We've already had a couple huge rains, and it's definitely been much better than in the past in terms of keeping water flowing and off of our property. We had no idea what to do to make this a safe place for our house and also the creek and all the animals that live in it. So we're really grateful that the team came and worked on it.